How does a codicil affect your will's validity? Imagine you have a will that you made years ago, and now your life has changed. Maybe you want to add a new beneficiary or change an executor. How do you do that without rewriting everything? That's where a codicil comes in. A codicil is a legal document that makes changes or additions to your existing will. When it's done correctly, it becomes part of your original will and holds the same legal power. This means the changes you make are just as valid as the will itself. For example, if you want to change who gets your jewelry or update your executor, a properly executed codicil can do that. But it's important to follow the same rules as when you made your original will. The codicil must be in writing, signed by you, and witnessed by at least 2 disinterested witnesses. If you forget to do this, the codicil might be invalid, which could cause confusion or disputes later. Also, a codicil only affects specific parts of your will. It does not automatically revoke the entire will unless you state that explicitly. If you have many changes to make, it might be better to create a new will to avoid conflicts. From an estate planning point of view, codicils are a quick and simple way to update your will when your circumstances change. For example, if you get married, have children, or acquire new assets, a codicil can reflect those updates without rewriting everything. However, because mistakes or improper execution can cause legal issues, it's wise to consult an estate attorney. They can ensure your codicil is valid and properly integrated with your original will. To sum up, a codicil affects your will's validity by legally amending it when you follow the proper formalities. If you skip those steps, the changes might not be recognized, which could lead to problems during probate. So always make sure your codicil is carefully prepared and executed correctly to keep your estate plan on track.